Hey everyone, Joe here. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to set up a photography backdrop stand kit for both photo and video. For this video, we will be using two great looking backdrops from Cape Backdrop. Now, disclaimer, Cape Backdrop did send these out to me free of charge to make this tutorial, but I'm not being paid to make this video. That said, I will be doing a product review of these wonderful backdrops in the future, so make sure you're subscribed for future videos when that video does come out. First, start by setting up your stands. Then place a sandbag on each stand on the outside. Both stands should have one leg pointed towards the inside. Position each stand apart, allowing room for your backdrop. Then place your backdrop pole on one stand while you slide your backdrop onto the other side. Once done, you can hang the pole on the other side and spread your backdrop out. Carefully raise your backdrop up in small increments on each side until it's fully raised to the desired height. Then you can place your backdrop light facing the backdrop. Once done, you can then place your key light. Now you're ready to start taking great looking photos. Photography backdrops are also great for video. Here we're using one of Cape Backdrop's vertical style backgrounds. As before, carefully raise your backdrop to your desired height. For those working or schooling from home, a backdrop can be a great way to block out areas at home that may be distracting. Adding LEDs or holiday lights can really be a great way for online content creators and streamers to spice up their video. Okay everybody, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, how about giving me a thumbs up? Thumbs is always highly appreciated. Now if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please take time to subscribe. Subscribing is free, it's for you, and lets you know when I release more videos. Until next time everyone, thank you for watching.